We'll guide you through how to develop extensions for VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. It's important to have Node.js and npm installed, as they are essential for creating VS Code extensions. You can verify this by opening a terminal and typing node meet_v and npm meet_v to check the versions. Then, you'll want to install the Yeoman and VS Code extension generator. In your terminal, run the command npm install meet_g generator code. This sets up the tools needed to scaffold a new extension. Next, create a new directory for your project and navigate into it using the terminal. Once inside, run yo code to start the generator. You'll be prompted to choose the type of extension you'd like to create. For a simple extension, you can select New Extension, TypeScript, or New Extension, JavaScript. Follow the prompts to set up your extension, providing details like the name and description. After the setup, you'll see a basic extension structure in your directory, including files like package.json and extension.ts. These are key files where you'll define your extension's behavior. You can now open this project in VS Code and start coding your extension. Use the F5 key to launch a new VS Code window with your extension running in debug mode. This helps you test and refine your code. To package your extension, you'll need to install the VSCE tool by running npm install -g versus c. Then, use VSCE package to create a .vsci file, which you can share and install. Before publishing, ensure you have a Microsoft account and have registered on the Visual Studio Marketplace. Once ready, use VSCE Publish to make your extension available to others. Developing VS Code extensions can greatly enhance your workflow and contribute to the community. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.